Good afternoon, lads, and we're going to take a look at the exercise I had planned for last Friday, but we're going to work on it today. Now, it is plain figures 1, triangles and circles, sheet 6. The left-hand exercise is an isosceles triangle. Here we are. An isosceles triangle is where you have two sides equal. So that side and that side is equal. Now, just for the exercise, I'm going to change that to 180 rather than 179. It's because we need to bisect it. So we're going to take a look at that. So we're going to start by drawing a line, AB, and we'll make that 180. And I'll come up 170 and draw that line. And you notice that that line is a red line, so it's a construction line. And next we're going to actually locate the center of the triangle. Now, if we make it 180, that will just be 90 and 90, so it makes it easier. We don't have to bisect the line. But I will be showing you how to bisect a line and an angle in our next exercise. Now, having got that, that's halfway here, 90, bring it up here, it's 170, that's our apex there. So we draw that line, it's black, and that one also. And we have the center line. Now, if you notice, these little marks here are equal marks. So it's telling you that each one of those is the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to divide that construction line that goes up the middle into 5. So if we divide 170 divided by 5 is 34. So we mark up 34. 34 here, 34 there, 34 of a gap, 34 at the top, and bring the lines up from the left, and bring the lines up from the right hand side, like so, and we'll shade it in, and that is our exercise. Perfect. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Again, it's an isosceles triangle. Let's just take a look at that. The graphic shows a logo based on an isosceles triangle. In the logo, AB is equal to BC. Two sides equal. AB, BC equal to 192. AD is 72 and DC is 122. So we'll take a look at those and how we draw the logo. Anyway, let's start. So AC we know is 170. Let's go with that. AB is, what is it? It's 192. So take your compass needle a day, measure 192 between the compass needle and the pencil, and scribe an arc there. Every point on that arc here is 192 from A. Every point, so compass needle at A, pencil here 192 across, and draw that. It's red, so it's a construction line. Let's do the same from C. 192 there, compass needle here, 192 on your compass, and scribe an arc. We did this when we were originally drawing triangles. The apex there, lads, is B. Apex is B. So when I complete this, heavy that line in there, heavy that line in there, we know that that's 192 from A. We know that that's 192 from B, so that is the apex. So that's not too bad. So we've our triangle drawn now, our isosceles triangle. So we come down here. What dimension is that, lads? If you look over here, you see it's 60. So I draw that line. So I come up 72 and scribe an arc here. And because remember, DC is 122, AD is 72, DC is 122. Here's D, so it's an isosceles triangle in this case. So 72, scribe our arc. 122, scribe our arc from C. That is the apex. Remember, everything on that arc is 72 away from A. Everything on this arc is 122 away from C. And I'll draw my line up like that, continuing it on up. That point is D, however, so I can heavy that line in there. Now I have that. I can just heavy in the rest of it. You can see I have the basic shape, so if I put the 3 colours on it now, I get that. And that's my exercise for there. Okay lads, I'm going to post that there, and I'd like you to try both of those, take a photograph and send it to me. Thank you lads, and hope all is going well with you.